Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest features on your favorite gadgets. Today, we're tackling something super fun and practical: how to use the Apple Watch Walkie Talkie feature in 2025. If you're tired of typing messages or making calls, this walkie-talkie style communication is a game changer for quick chats with friends and family. It's intuitive, voice-based, and perfect for on-the-go use. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Apple Watch is updated to the latest Watch OS for 2025. This ensures you have all the new enhancements, like improved audio quality and better battery efficiency. To get started, open the Walkie Talkie app on your Apple Watch. It's usually right on your home screen, represented by a yellow Walkie Talkie icon. If you don't see it, you can search for it using Siri. Just say, "Hey Siri, open Walkie Talkie." Next, you need to add contacts. Tap the plus icon to invite friends or family members who also have an Apple Watch. They'll get a notification to accept your invitation, and once they do, you're good to go. Now, for the fun part, starting a conversation. Select the contact you want to talk to, and press and hold the big yellow button on the screen. Speak your message clearly, and when you're done, release the button. It sends instantly, like a real walkie-talkie. One cool update in 2025 is the enhanced noise cancellation, which makes it easier to hear in noisy environments. Plus, you can now customize your alerts and even set it to Do Not Disturb mode for certain contacts. Remember, this feature works best over Wi-Fi or cellular, so ensure you're connected. If you run into issues, like messages not sending, double-check your contacts settings or restart your watch. There you have it. Using Apple Watch Walkie Talkie is as easy as pie. It's a fantastic way to add some excitement to your daily communication. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.